Program 61. Create a class base aircraft with name, speed, and features. Create class passenger aircraft that inherits base aircraft class and has own name, speed, and features. Print details of both aircrafts. Here is the program code, and this is the class named base aircraft. We declare public as the access specifier for all declarations below. The base name of this base aircraft is set as Cessna 172. The base speed is set as 302 km per hour. Then the base features for this aircraft are set. The showBase function displays this base aircraft's name, from base name, speed, from base speed, and features, from base features. We next declare the class passenger aircraft, and its link to the class named base aircraft. So it inherits all the properties, or features, from the base aircraft class. Thus these two classes are linked to each other with inheritance. Here too, we have the public access specifier. Then the name for this passenger aircraft is set with value, Boeing 737. The passenger aircraft speed is assigned value 946 km per hour. New features for this passenger aircraft are assigned. The showPassenger function displays this passenger aircraft's name, from passenger name, speed, from passenger speed, basic features from its parent class character array named base features, and advanced features, or features plus, from passenger features of this very class. So our class declarations are over here. Program control shifts to line 31 of main function. An object named P, from the class, passenger aircraft, is created. Since it inherits the class, base aircraft, this object has features of base aircraft class, and also the features of passenger aircraft class. Control shifts to line 32 of the program code. It's a print statement. So on output screen, the title base aircraft details is printed. On line 33 of program code, the showBase function of object P is invoked. Remember that P is an object of the second class, or the derived class passenger aircraft, and showBase function is a function of the first, or the base class, base aircraft. Details of the base aircraft are printed on screen. Control shifts to the print statement on line 34 of program code. So on output screen, the title passenger aircraft details is printed. On line 35 of program code, the showPassenger function of object P is invoked. Details of the passenger aircraft are printed on screen. Here, refer to lines 25 and 26, the aircraft features of both basic version and the advanced passenger version are printed. The program ends. So, what did we learn here? We linked a class passenger aircraft as child class of base aircraft. We then created an object of the child class, and from this child class, we accessed the data field, base features, which is of the parent class. Similarly from child class, we also access the showBase function of parent class.